Okay, so you're going to pour a half a cup of whipping cream. You're going to pour that into a chilled bowl. That's what I do anyway. And then you're going to beat it and beat it and beat it till you can't beat no more. No. But beat it until you get it to right before the what do you call it? The stiffing point. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and beat it some more. Then you'll add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, or also known as confectionate sugar. I don't know if you can tell that the mixture is getting thicker, but it's going to get even thicker after about a few more, probably like 3 more minutes. Okay, after you let it beat and beat and beat and beat, it's probably about a total of 5 minutes. This is what you'll get.